This foundation, I would give this a, hear me out. Welcome friends to a new beauty review series called Purchase or Pass, where I review products that may or may not be worth your hard-earned money. And today's first runner-up is going to be the Natasha Denona Hy-Glam Foundation.
This foundation comes in a sleek, hard bottle. It's made in Italy for anyone who cares where products are made. I'm gonna apply it with a foundation brush. This is the darkest shade I'm trying. It's NY16. The claims of the Hy-Glam Foundation are hydrating, blurring, lightweight, self-setting, and radiant foundation. So it's gonna have a glow to it once it dries down. And it retails for $52. As I'm applying this, I think it pulls a little gray on me. What do you guys think? I'm going to apply this foundation on one side of my face. That way we can compare a side-by-side before and after. I don't remember why I'm smirking. Anyway, as I'm blending this out, it does feel lightweight. It is medium to full coverage, but does not feel cakey. I think that's important as a consumer because most fuller coverage foundations also feel full coverage. So she really nailed that part down, making this feel lightweight and covered. As long as I add contour, I think I'll be okay, but I am hoping she does a shade expansion. Also, this is very hydrating, so I'd recommend this for drier skin types. I'm gonna insert a pic of what the darker shade looks like online. Yeah, that does not look like what I got in the mail. However, what this foundation claims, it does. Once it dries down, it has the Facetune Skin Blurred effect. It's lightweight, it gives a glow. That's the side with nothing on. Okay, let's wrap this up.
Okay friends, so I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup. This is what it looks like with the foundation. So all in all, I would give this foundation a purchase. Hear me out. Shade-wise, I think we can all agree that it's not my shade match. If it was a couple of shades darker, it would be chef's kiss, but it's not. So it is what it is. However, the actual formulation and how it blends on the skin, the claims, hydrating, blurring, long wear, radiant serum foundation, this is exactly what she says it is. It's just not the perfect shade match for me, but I'm able to make it work. The actual formulation is very, very good. If you can find your perfect shade match, this one's for you. Like this foundation, this is for you. However, if you have oilier skin, I would probably use a gel mattifying primer moisturizer because it is very hydrating and it can look kind of oily because it is a serum foundation. So because we are currently in winter time anyway, it might just work just on its own. I'm gonna give it a purchase. It's a good foundation. So join me here every single Thursday. I'll be here. You can either come, stay tuned and just watch, or you can actually watch the review to see if it's something that you actually might purchase or not.